Greetings to all STP Trading Brokers followers. Today we'll be talking about how to create a real account. First, go to www.stptrading.io. Then click on Login at the top. Insert your email address and password to enter your user panel. To create a real account, click on Accounts. Then click on Create Real Account at the top. First, choose your account type, which includes Standard, Zero, and Islamic. In this section, choose USD as the default currency. Next, choose the leverage based on your strategy. At the end, click on Create a Real Account and enter the next page. In this section, you must choose a password to enter your MetaTrader. Then click on Create Account. Congratulations! You have successfully created a real account. You can see the login ID, the password to log into MetaTrader and the server in the box below.